Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wood sign blank is probably one of the most versatile crafting essentials you can find. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, these blanks offer endless possibilities for personalization. From rustic farmhouse decor to modern minimalist art, the potential is only limited by your imagination. Join me as we explore the best options available and unlock your creative potential. Number 5. 6-pack 14-inch wood rounds for DIY crafts. These 14-inch wood rounds are crafted from natural, solid wood. They're environmentally friendly and have a smooth, burr-free finish, making them durable and comfortable to work with. You'll receive 6 unfinished wooden discs, each with a 14-inch diameter and a 3 mm thickness. This size is ideal for door hangers and festive holiday decorations. Both sides of the wood rounds are blank, offering a canvas for your creativity. You can easily add colors, wood-burn designs, or create any pattern you desire. They are also lightweight and easy to hang. These wood circles are perfect for various occasions. Use them to create ornaments, signs, or decorations for Christmas, weddings, parties, and classrooms. The possibilities are endless. The simple design allows you to paint, dye, decorate, and carve. This project will inspire your creativity and enhance your hands-on skills, creating unique and personalized wooden crafts. What we like. These wood rounds are made of solid wood, ensuring durability and a natural feel. If you are looking for a versatile base for various crafts, from door hangers to Christmas decorations, you should consider this. The smooth edges make it easy to work with, and the wide application allows for endless creative possibilities. What people say. They're thin, which I like because it allows me to add layers without the piece becoming too bulky. They hold up nicely and don't come with pre-drilled holes, which is a plus. My clients can choose how they want to hang their sign. Every single one took the paint marker really well. Also minimal to no bleeding of colors. Number 4. Juvale 8-inch unfinished wood rounds. These unfinished wood rounds are perfect for all your DIY projects. They provide a versatile canvas for your artistic expression. Transform these wooden discs into personalized signs or rustic home decorations. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your space. Get into the holiday spirit by creating unique ornaments and gifts. They are ideal for crafting charming Christmas decorations. Each wood circle has a smooth surface, ready for wood burning and engraving. You can create intricate designs with ease. With 10 rounds included, there's plenty to share or use for multiple projects. They are perfect for crafting sessions with friends. Measuring 8 inches in diameter, they are ideal for coasters and plaques. Use them to create stylish decorations for your home. What we like. This product comes with 10 wooden rounds, providing ample material for multiple projects. If you like creating personalized gifts or rustic decorations, you should consider this. The smooth surface is perfect for wood burning and engraving, allowing you to create intricate designs. What people say. The wood is smooth and ready to paint. These are great for door hangers. They are perfect for the projects I am working on. Number 3. Juvale 6-inch unfinished round wood boards. Introducing the Juvale unfinished round wood boards. They offer a smooth surface, perfect for all your creative projects. These wood rounds inspire endless artistic possibilities. Each wooden circle has a finely finished surface. It's perfect for painting, wood engraving, or detailed wood burning. This provides a clean canvas for personalized art. This set includes 12 wooden discs. This ensures you have plenty of material for all your creative endeavors. You can design holiday ornaments or personalized coasters. Transform these unfinished wood circles into charming holiday decorations. They're perfect for creating DIY Christmas ornaments or bespoke New Year art. These pieces enhance seasonal home aesthetics. These wood boards are 6 inches in diameter, a great size for DIY crafts. Use them to craft personalized wooden holiday ornaments and decor. They are perfect for your art projects. What we like. With 12 wooden discs, this set offers plenty of material for all your creative endeavors. If you are looking for a base for DIY coasters, art projects, or holiday gifts, you should consider this. The smooth surface is perfect for painting, engraving, or wood burning, allowing you to create unique and personalized items. What people say. Good quality and durable. The weight and nice eyelets of this wooden ornament was perfect for the red ribbon and wire hook to hang the ornament. Smooth, so easy to add primer, flat, and sturdy enough to hold the extra weight. Number 2. Juvale 10-inch unfinished wood circles, 10-pack. These Juvale wood circles are the perfect base for your next project. They are ideal for all kinds of crafting, from painting to wood burning. Get ready for the holidays. These wooden discs are perfect for creating unique ornaments and decorations. You can easily customize them to fit your style. With 10 wood rounds in each pack, you'll have plenty of material for all your projects. Use them to create signs, plaques, or anything else you can imagine. The natural finish of these circles invites your personal touch. Engrave, sand, or stain them to create something truly unique. It's easy to make them your own. Each circle is 10 inches in diameter, making it the perfect size for detailed designs. They are great for creating holiday crafts or elegant decor. What we like. These 10-inch wooden circles provide an ideal canvas for various crafting projects. If you like creating DIY signs or holiday decor, you should consider this. The natural finish invites customization through engraving, sanding, or staining, making it perfect for personalized creations. What people say. They are solid and not flimsy at all. The edges are finished and no sanding was needed. Impressed with the quality. This worked so well for the wreath I made, fit perfectly to the back and gave it a more finished look. Decals fit perfectly on these 10-inch diameter wood circles. I use them for my wreath signs. They are lightweight and have a smooth surface. Number 1. 3 pieces 12-inch wood circles. These wooden circles are perfect for all your DIY craft needs. They are unfinished and ready for you to personalize. Each circle measures 12 inches in diameter, making it ideal for door hangers and signs. The thickness is just right for easy handling and decorating. Made from poplar plywood, this product is solid, sturdy, and lightweight. It's also eco-friendly, so you can feel good about your crafting choices. Use it with fabrics, ribbons, or plants to create unique decorations. It's great for Christmas ornaments, parties, or home decor. These blank cutouts add a farmhouse and rustic decor effect. They're a great way to welcome guests to your home. Give these as gifts on Christmas, Thanksgiving, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful present for friends and family. What we like. These wooden cutouts come with twine and a hook, making them easy to hang. If you are looking for a ready-to-use base for door hangers, signs, or Christmas decor, you should consider this. The perfect size and included accessories make it a convenient choice for your DIY projects. What people say. The wood is smooth and ready to paint. These are great for door hangers. They are the perfect size for what I needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.